Hi everyone, I'm Chris Harding with MarineMax Dallas, and today we're going to take a look at this brand new Sea Ray SLX 230. The boat is equipped with a submersible swim platform. It is manual, living down in the water. It's a great place to sit, hang out, pets to get in and out of the water on. We do have an upgraded stereo system on this boat, so it does have the rear platform speakers on it. Great lounge area back here, so if you're coved up and people are hanging out swimming, you can sit up here, sun, sit up here, or you can go all the way back and just lounge all the way back in here. You'll notice that with all of our Sea Rays, it is a stationary backrest, so you can sit on both sides of this versus you see a lot of manufacturers that have a flip-flop backrest. And you know, it's either one way and you can't sit on the other side. Really nice starboard side walk through with a cooler in the middle so that you don't have to get all the way in the boat to get to your cooler. Transom stereo remote. You've got a removable cooler under here. A really well-equipped cooler under there so that you can put your drinks inside of there. I like the flip-flop lounge seating here. Gives you a really nice area to sit and social hour and socialize. Boat is equipped with a battery charger. Twin Simrad 12-inch screens. Screens are super nice. You've got your GPS on one, you got your engine information on the other. You can go to your fish finder, you can add the engine back to here. Your stereo controls are inside of here, or you can go to your fusion unit right here and use it. Good size bow, great area. Sea Ray does a great job with how well they detail their interiors out, you know, no matter what boat it is that they have. I'm Chris Harding. If you have any questions on this boat or any others, you can give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit us online at marinemax.com. Thanks, and we look forward to speaking with you.